How are you?
Alhamdulillah, and what about you?
Good. Now tell me your feeling. Why you join in English therapy?
I joined English therapy because of my English fluency. I want to get my English fluency. That's why I decided to join English therapy.
From where you know this matter that English therapy is good for you?
Actually, I live here. That's why everyone said English therapy is so good for English. That's why I decided to join here. So, what about you? Why you decided to join there?
Actually, I also wanted to increase my English communication. That's why I come here and I need to speaking English. That's why I came here. What do you think? Have you learned anything from here?
Yes, of course. I learned many things from there. Actually, I don't just learn English. Also, I learned how to become a positive person and how to become a grateful person. Also, now I am becoming a positive person. I do everything perfectly, and also I have a good routine in my life. I have a productive life. So all of this because of English therapy. And you join a speech competition. There is a speech competition also available. Whenever we join English speech competition, then
Yeah.
our confidence will be boost up, will be
Yes.
increased. So I increase my confidence also. That's why actually I improve lot of things from English therapy.
They always try to understand, make us understand. That's isn't it?
Yes.
And
And one thing I noticed that whenever we did any mistake, then our teachers doesn't criticize us. They also try to how can we build confidence. They always try.
first of all, they listen and they try to make characters, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
And they didn't laugh any day
Okay,
on
yes,
us.
yes.
It's
You
a
are right.
really good thing. Finally, are you happy and satisfied?
Yes, I am so happy, and I want everyone should join English therapy, and they should so that their life will be increased and improved.
Yes.
So I think you will be agree with me.
Yes, yes. Our third month is running. After some days, our third month will be finished.
Yes.
It's really great platform to learn English and to learn, not only learn English, but
Improving your
also
lifestyle.
everything. Improve our lifestyle, improve our routine, sincerity, regularity, and discipline. Make discipline. It's really very important things in our life. I also want to invite them who didn't join this English therapy, who didn't know in English therapy rules or English therapy system. I hope you all are enjoying these things,
Thank you.
isn't it?
Okay,
So thank you for watching us.